Welcome back to Rocket School. JT here. In the last video, you completed enabling a firewall, which will disable incoming traffic from entering your node, except for Rocket Pool services, of course. Now it's time to enable automatic security updates. Again, this is highly recommended, though maybe not 100% necessary for advanced users, but it allows your node to update itself. As always, copy and paste the commands from right below this video. Now, the starting line for this video is that you're logged in to your node via SSH and will be entering these commands directly right on the node. Starting with the command line of our node, we are going to be installing two packages: the unattended upgrade software package and the update notifier common package. First, we need to update the package manager itself. Remember this from earlier videos? It's good practice to remember this command: sudo space apt update, and then hit enter. Now, let's install those two software packages and start with this command right here: sudo apt install -y, and then add these two packages you'll see in your description: unattended upgrades and update notifier common. Fun fact, APT stands for Advanced Package Tool.
You're a tool.
I don't need anything out of you, Beanie.
My bad.
Moving on. They are a collection of tools used to install, update, remove, and otherwise manage software. Go ahead and hit enter to install. Now when it installs those two packages, a wild pop-up appears asking which services should be restarted. Press spacebar to check the box. Then press enter and boom! These two packages are installed. Now we need to update the configuration of the software package manager to allow these auto upgrades. To do this, we'll open our nano editor again by typing in sudo nano. Then paste in this command from the description below and then hit enter. Look for that says etc apt blah 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 blah. That's what you need. Paste it in there and then hit enter. And you're good. The good news. Here's our two line items we expect to see from installing the auto upgrades packages, and they are both ready. We are now going to add a new line called auto clean interval 7. Copy paste the auto clean interval 7 and hit enter. The next thing we want to do is remove unused dependencies while performing unattended upgrades. We want to remove these unused dependencies to keep our node clutter-free and squeaky clean. We're writing in a line to tell the system to make it true so that it does remove the unused dependencies. Copy paste the unused dependencies line and hit enter. And then the other thing we'll remove are new unused dependencies as well. Copy paste the remove new unused dependencies and hit enter. Yes, you in the front row, Beanie?
Yeah, but what if an update requires a reboot? Certainly we want to allow for that, right?
Yes.
Awesome.
Good question. We want to allow that. Here's how. We'll include comments here for reference, but they aren't necessary. Copy paste automatic reboot line and hit enter. Now the next thing is we want to set the reboot time buffer. This will allow a little bit of extra time for packages to install and prevent a premature reboot. For this, copy the command below regarding the automatic reboot and set it to 2 minutes. And then hit enter. All that's left now is to hit Ctrl X and press Y to save, and then hit enter. The command line we type next is just to restart the unattended upgrades. sudo systemctl restart unattended upgrades. Moving forward, this node will automatically update itself and remove packages that it doesn't need, and it will also reboot itself when required. Nifty. On behalf of Rocket School, my name is JT.